story that happened long ago, when Spain's King Philip got angry and let the English know. He sent a Spanish Armada so he could then invade, and our Queen Bess in her fine dress was certainly afraid. Oh, we beat the Spanish Armada, we did, we did. We beat the Spanish Armada, we did, we did. We beat the Spanish Armada just outside Calais Harbour. We beat the Spanish Armada back in 1588. Sir Francis Drake was bowling when word came from the Queen to fight the Spanish Armada, the biggest ever seen. The Navy gathered in Plymouth and planned out their attack, so our Queen Bess could solve this mess and stop them coming back. Oh, we beat the Spanish Armada, we did, we did. We beat the Spanish Armada, we did, we did. We beat the Spanish Armada just outside Calais Harbour. We beat the Spanish Armada back in 1588. Just outside France near Calais, the Spanish lay in wait, but Francis sent his fire ships and missed it seal their fate. The weakened Spanish Armada, the north they had to flee, and our Queen Bess, we must confess, enjoyed the victory. Oh, we beat the Spanish Armada, we did, we did. We beat the Spanish Armada, we did, we did. We beat the Spanish Armada just outside Calais Harbour. We beat the Spanish Armada back in